Yeah, this question is appeared in which exam?
Sir?
Rashnika, this question is from?
Sir, this is actually, I didn't appear in any exam, sir. Actually, this question was made by my father.
Okay, okay. See,
Yes, sir.
I started at a point and I turned towards the left. Then I could see a beautiful sunrise. So beautiful sunrise means sun will be in which direction?
Sir, east.
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 After turning left, he or she or me is facing east, right? Before turning left, what
So,
is my
sir,
direction?
south.
North.
South. Okay, only when I am facing south, if I turn to left, it will be east, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So initial facing direction is south.
South.
Initial facing direction is south. So, and the direction I started from was south. So B is south. Answer for B is south. Toshnika. Right?
Answer for B is south. Okay, so I'm just noting it down.
Initial facing direction, that is.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Then I turned 3 meters my left. So from east to left means northwards, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
From east, left means north. Northwards, distance is how much? 3 meters. And then 4 meters my right. So from north, right means again?
Sir, east.
Distance is 4 meters. Then my right, I turned 3 meters to my left, then 4 meters to my right, 6 meters backward. So backward of east means?
Sir, west.
West. How much distance? 6 meters. And then 12 meters forward. 12 meters forward means the same direction west will be continued 12 more meters. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me. So initially, so I'm taking this position as initial for this calculation. I'm taking this position as initial. Okay. From east. Now see. North and north. West and west. Same polarity or opposite polarity?
Sir,
West and west.
Same.
Polarity. Then we have to add 6 plus 12 is
18.
yes, 18.
Sir, but over here the answer is directly west, right?
How can you say west? That is final facing direction. But here the question is, if I want to see sunset, okay. In which direction I should turn? So maybe his intention is left or right. That can be.
Sir, I guess you have to follow that.
Yeah, so the options, if you can see which were given.
So these are the options, right?
Yeah, these are the options.
Yeah, right and north, left and north, right and east, left and east. So without knowing the final facing direction, how can you say that is west? West is okay. Sunset is always west only. But to turn towards west, in which direction we should?
Sir, they're given, no, we are towards the west only. They're given we are in the west only, sir. In the question they have given, right?
No, they weren't at the west. They
have not mentioned any direction initially. See.
Yeah, so they just started at a point simply.
But then, oh yeah. Okay, we need to
Okay.
start point.
Initially, direction is not mentioned, but we found it by taking that left turn. After taking left, he could see the beautiful sunrise. Based on that point, we can say initially he is facing south. Okay. And in which direction? The question is 12 meters forward. If I want to see sunset, okay. First of all, we need to find this. Eastwards is east and west. North is 3. East and west same polarity or opposite polarity? Opposite polarity. What is the difference here? 14. So will be northwest, right? Okay, from east.
So your voice is breaking.
My voice.
Yeah, so now it's fine, sir. Just a few minutes ago, it was
Okay.
breaking.
Okay, see, now I'm drawing the diagram. Initially south facing. Distance is not given. After taking left.
So are you drawing anything on your screen? Because I cannot see it.
Remaining also.
Sir, I guess you have to you have to reshare your screen, sir. You're already sharing.
Yeah, sir, because it's stuck.
Okay. Okay, share the screen. See, is it okay?
Yeah, so now we can
Now
see.
it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Initially, he is moving towards south. From there, after taking left turn, he could able to see the sunrise. So then he turned. Sorry, if I touch the screen, it will go. From then I turned 3 meters to my left. So from here, 3 meters leftward 3 meters. Then 4 meters to my right. So from here, 4 meters right. And then 6 meters backwards. So 6 meters backwards means again backwards. So already 4 is there. That's why I'm writing 2 here. And 12 meters forward. So 12 meters forward. Okay, that's sunset. What should sunset? I should turn. First, which is given? Direction is given or left, right is given?
Left is given, sir. The first turn towards the left.
But see, finally he is facing towards west. Now, if I want to see sunset, I should turn. Nothing to turn anywhere because he's already towards west only.
So, but the
So,
answer
sir, we can take
So
a
that's what
right
I was
or
saying.
left.
So that's what I was saying, sir. It's nothing to take. No need to take a turn.
no, but the answer is, sir, A is left and B is south.
See, finally, this is his facing direction, right?
Okay, so once can you give me the permission to annotate?
Can you do that?
Sir, I guess she has to request it.
Request, send me request if possible. Otherwise, I will try.
So that is not for annotating, so that's for request remote control. I don't want any remote control. If you can just provide me with the annotating option.
Okay, done.
Okay, sir. So can you see my annotations, sir?
Here you cannot write. Just wait.
No,
Here you
sir, I
can.
can't write.
Are you writing anything?
No, sir, I cannot write. That option is not available for me.
Okay, you can say. What are you thinking? You can say.
Okay, so first, if you can just write down the directions, sir, like north, west, east, and south on this page.
This one.
Sir, I guess we have to follow this map, sir.
No, actually, this is the directions that were given by the question to confuse us. So I think we need to take a new one, sir.
Okay.
That was actually a trick that my father played. Okay, so north, west, south, and east, if you can just name the directions accordingly, normally. First, I do it.
Then?
So first the question says, I started at a point towards left, then could see the beautiful sunrise. So
Yes.
I think then he should be to the right of the direction. So he just started at a point and then he had to turn left. So we know the sun rises at the east.
That is what I draw here. Somewhere he started. Consider this as the starting point,
Yeah,
and
sir.
he is moving somewhere, and somewhere he turned left, and he could able to see the sunrise. This is the sunrise.
So can you draw it like parallelly, sir, to this WE line? Can you just draw it parallelly from this north? I mean the point. Can you just draw it parallelly instead of drawing it vertically? Like I think that can make the question easier.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, yes, sir. So he turned, okay, and then I turned 3 meters to my left. So again he turned towards north,
Okay,
and then 4 meters towards my right, I guess. So he turned towards his west.
okay.
So he turned towards his west. Oh yeah, sorry. He turned towards his east.
East.
And
Towards east.
then 6 meters backwards. So does it mean, sir, that he's going back to south?
No, backwards means if you are facing north, turn your back means you will be facing south, right?
No, sir. The person is not turning his back. He's just straight away moving
No,
backwards.
straight away moving backwards means what? He is facing east, right? Now,
Yeah,
now what is facing direction?
east. Okay,
If
so
he
he's
turns
gonna.
back, it will be west.
Okay,
This
so
is
he's gonna
already
move forward. Okay, sir. Got it.
this is already 4 means extra 2 will be here.
Okay, sir.
And then
Got it.
he turn. Sorry.
And
And
there's
then-
nothing to turn, sir. He has to just turn so that he could see the sunset, and that's west. He's already facing west.
already facing west, and after 12 meters also is facing west only. So sun will be in towards west only. At the time of sunset, sun will be towards west only.
Okay,
And
towards-
he don't need to turn any direction. So that is
Okay.
what I drawn. Above diagram also the same, right?
okay. Like it was kind of confusing, so that's it. Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, option A is no need to turn. Option A is no need to turn. And the second option B is
Left.
left.
Sorry, south.
No, so it's south.
South.
It's south. B is south. Options are not belonging to this question.
Okay, I'll just recheck once.
Because south is not given anywhere. South is not given. The initial
Okay.
direction is south only, but south is not.
Yeah, then I guess it will be north only because you have to turn left for going to south.
Read the question. See, read the question once again.
Okay, so I'll just reconfirm.
Direction I started from was you started from was
The south.
north, right? But it is towards the south.
Yes, sir.
So from north to south, so it should be from north to south, so it will be north, right?
Initially, he is moving in this direction means he started towards from north and he is moving towards the south.
Yes, sir. So it will be north only, right?
Yes, north only. So with the north, what is the option there? North,
Yes,
two
sir.
options are there, left and right. Actually, no direction is no need to turn any direction, right?
Yes,
Yes,
any
sir, that's
direction
no
360.
turn anywhere.
Okay, Toshnika, once verify this question. Okay.
Yes, I'll just check out the options again. Maybe those options were of the other problem. I'll just check out those options.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
So can you discuss the answers of the test?
Which one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The test, sir, which you took.
Why? They are very easy questions. I feel that they are very easy questions.
Yes, sir, but I guess there's a mistake in one of the questions.
Then you
I
can
have a
ask.
doubt in one, sir.
Then you can ask that question only. Why to waste today's session time? You can ask that question, which you feel there will be mistake, or which you feel it will be some some discussion is needed.
So like the question was a compass showing a compass pointing south was now pointing west.
Okay. South becomes
Yes,
Yes, sir, even I had a doubt in that question.
south becomes west. Then man is moving towards west. In
Yes,
which
sir.
direction is he moving actually? Right.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
See, for this question, we have taken a shortcut. What is the shortcut is? If south becomes west, I'm writing the initial directions.
I mean, sir, like if the south becomes west and he's going inside the west direction, then shouldn't he be going south instead of north?
If south becomes west, then west will be dash. Anti-clockwise or clockwise this one? Clockwise.
So
Okay.
clockwise.
South become west means clockwise 90 degrees. Then west will be dash. West will be north only.
Yes, I mean like so the second part is like he's going according to the compass west.
According to the compass. According to the compass, he is moving, but actually he is moving in which direction?
Yes, sir. So like if he's if the south is showing now west and he's going to the west direction,
So
then
I already mentioned this point in the class only. You may confuse with this shortcut. That's why I explained the procedure also. See, this is the original compass, and this is after it's damaged. Are you able to see the screen?
yes, sir.
Okay. This is the original compass, and this is the after damage. And I'm taking 4 pointer positions. And here also I'll take 4 pointer positions. And for the original compass, if these are the directions, north, south, east, west, and these directions will change or will remain same for the damaged compass?
They'll change.
No, these are outside directions. Outside
These
direction.
are remains same.
Then it'll change the pointings, right?
Yeah, pointer locations will change, but outside directions will be same or not?
Yeah, that'll be same.
So north, south, east, west only. So here we have to change only initial, only pointer locations only. This pointer in the original compass, this pointer is always showing north only. That's why can I name this a pointer as north pointer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we can name this pointer as
So south pointer.
south pointer. This will be east pointer. And this will be
West pointer.
west pointer. Now say. In the original compass, north pointer always shows north only, east pointer always shows east, west pointer always shows west, and south pointer always shows south. Yes or no? In the original compass.
Yes, sir.
But what happened here is the pointer which was showing south is now showing west. What is the pointer that is showing south actually?
Okay, sir. So the south pointer. Okay, yeah.
And that south pointer is now showing west.
Yes, sir. Now understand.
And according to this pointer location, all the pointer locations will change because it is a riveted set. I mentioned that pointer. This is a riveted set, and if you want to disturb one pointer, all complete set will be disturbed. So if this will be south pointer, it will be the north pointer, and this will be the east pointer, and this will be the west pointer. Now the person is moving towards west, observing inside or outside. Inside the compass or outside the compass?
Sir, inside the compass.
Inside the compass, by seeing towards west, he is moving, but actually he is moving towards. Yes, tell me.
North.
Yeah, watching into the compass, he is moving towards west, but actually he is moving towards north. That's all. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any doubt?
No,
In
sir.
yesterday's question. Sorry, in yesterday's paper. Anybody, any doubt? Tell me just if you have doubt, tell me. Otherwise, we'll move on to the today's topic.
So the XY question. So
That's why
the XY.
that question. Okay, tell me the question. Read that question. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read that question.
Can I get back to
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is not clear.
I don't have the sir.
Sai Ritwik. Who is speaking?
Sir, me, sir. I have the question. I have to like search for the question. So give me 10 minutes.
You're searching.
Yes, sir. I don't have it with me.
Okay. Anybody have any doubt in yesterday's topic test? Only
So
few.
there's a question the direction and the distance also. Like
Yeah,
I'm not sure with the whole question. So can I just look at it once?
Sorry, Piyush, what you asked?
Sir, when I'm opening the link now, it's just showing to start the test again.
Okay.
Can I have the questions? Can I say it?
Okay, 1 second. Let me try. Here is possible.
What is my problem, sir?
Sir, I kept it in the chat box.
Which one link?
No, sir, the question only I
Question.
kept in the chat box.
What is about my problem, sir?
Okay, Shreyan, no issue. We will plan one more test in this week.
Yes, sir, I got the question. Sir, it is Arun drives 10 kilometers straight and another 10 kilometers to his right. So that question, sir.
Okay. Where is that XY question?
There is a 9th one, sir. Yes, sir.
Read the question. Anyone, if you have. Y is in the east of X, which is in the north of. I think it is better to plan one session or before the session, half an hour. Yes or no? So if we plan half an hour before, we can. Do you have any class after 5:30? Immediate after 5:30?
Immediately 5:30 we have a math class.
Yes, sir.
Immediate after 5:30?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, but that's only for today. I think you can do it tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, tomorrow, day after my engineering.
No. Sir told me it is regular, 4:30 to 5:30. But if we plan, we can start the session at 4 o'clock only.
So is it going to be 4:30?
Yes, sir, that'll be better.
So no, sir, 4:30 is actually better.
Oh, tomorrow only.
Sir, for me actually better, sir. 4:30.
4:30.
So I
Okay.
think 4 o'clock, sir, because student continuously 2 hours.
Okay. Y is in the east of X. Y is in the east of X. Sorry.
Sir, isn't the answer not?
Y is in the east of X. Then next statement.
Sir, X, which
So
is the
here
north
which
of Z.
represents? Tell me here which represents?
Sir, X.
No, I have given some words. Keywords are given. And while but
While.
represent first person. Who, whose, whom, which represents second person. Here the second person is X. In place of X, we can take, in place of which we can take X. X is north of Z. X is north
That's
of
what I said, right? X.
You told X only. Okay, I thought X is in the first place and Y is in the next place. Okay. Which is means X is in the north of Z. Is in the north of Z means Z is in the south of X, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next statement is if P is in the south of Z, P is also south of Z. This is P, south of Z. And the question is P is in which direction of Y? So here off represent the reference. Off represent the reference.
Well, I chose northeast.
So Y is the origin. If Y is the origin, we need to see P in which direction.
Well, I chose it from P, sir. That's why I got northeast.
Okay. It is between south and west. So it is southwest. Answer is southwest.
Yes, sir. I chose it.
Sai Charan. Sai Charan something. Sai Ritvik.
Yes.
Yeah, Sai Ritvik, is it okay?
So can I explain the Arun question?
Arun question.
So the question Arun drives 10 kilometers with that answer.
Annotation is there. It is. Arun. Yes, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arun drives 10. What is the question here? How far is he from the starting point? How far is he from the starting point? First he drives.
10 kilometers.
Okay, here direction is not mentioned.
So direction is not mentioned over here.
Yeah, in this type of questions, we can predict any direction initially. I'm taking initially north. Okay, you can take any direction because here question is also not given about any direction, right? So I'm taking initially north, and northwards is distance is 10 kilometers. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, another 10 kilometers to his right. North to right means, tell me.
Sir, east.
East distance.
Sir, distance is 10 again.
Another 10. Every turning to his left drives 5 kilometer, 15 kilometer, and 15 kilometer. Means he turned 3 times left, and first time turning left 5 kilometer, next time turning left 15 kilometers, and then one more left 15 kilometers, respectively given. Okay. From east to left means
North again.
north. Distance is
5.
So
Five.
5 plus
from north to
15,
left means
Sir, west.
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 Distance is
15.
15.
from
And
west. Distance is
south.
South.
Yes.
sorry. Direction is
15.
south, and the distance is 15.
15, sir.
So here add all the
Sir, so it's 5. Sir, it's 5.
15 and south 15 and this 15 will be cancelled.
yes. North 5 and 10 we can
Yeah.
cancel with south 15.
South.
And these two are remaining now. So
Yes.
west is bigger and the distance is 5.
West is 5.
So
Okay.
west we have considered north, that's why we got west. So we can ignore that, and the distance here is 5 kilometers. Okay. Any more doubts?
No doubts.
Okay. Sir, could you do the next question also once? The next question. The 5th one.
Next question means this one fine morning. This one.
Yes, sir.
One fine morning, Mr. Ramu and Miss Savi talking to each other face to face. Okay. And Ravi observed that shadow of Savi. So here we don't need to concentrate on whose shadow is this, right?
Yes, sir.
Whose shadow is this? Savi shadow, but we don't need to consider this one.
I'm sorry, just it's
Vanishing pen.
just 5 minutes or something like that, and then I'll just finish it and I'll just go. Yeah. I'll just wait outside. I'll just get it. Yeah. No, the class started at 4:30, so it's gonna end at 5:30. So I think I need it for another half an hour. Then I'll give it to you. I'll just
Okay. Whose shadow is this? Savi's shadow. We don't need to consider this. But to whom it is left side?
So to Ramu.
To Ramu. Is it in the morning or evening?
So in the morning.
Morning shadow left means Ramu is facing
North.
north. Ramu is
North.
facing north means, but the question is here, Savi is facing which direction? Both are
So it
facing
will be
each other,
south.
right? Yeah, Savi is facing south.
Sir, I thought that the shadow fell right of this Savi.
Shadow is right of Savi only. Sorry. Okay. You thought that Savi is left, right of Savi, but the question is left of Savi. That's why here I mentioned the so without confusing with their names, I have mentioned they mentioned this one also. Mr. and Miss also mentioned. Okay.
Sir.
All right. Any more? That's all.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Then we'll move on to our topic.
So what is the topic that we're going to be discussing now?
So clocks, right?
Clocks. Clocks. Yes.
Okay, sir.
I think you forgot.
Sir, you will be posting results or no?
I will post immediate after class. Okay. Actually, I have to post, but somewhat busy. That's fine. I'm unable to post. Okay. See, what are the other names of minute hand and hour hand? Minute hand is also called as
Longer hand or bigger hand?
Sir, longer hand.
longer hand or bigger hand. Hour hand is also called
Short hand or
shorter hand or smaller hand. Okay. Next, what is the unit of speed in a clock? What is the unit of speed in a clock?
So angle per minute.
Yeah, angle will consider in terms of degrees only. Degree per minute we consider.
Yes, sir.
Degree per minute. Okay. Right. Next, each hour makes an angle of how much angle at the center? Each hour
30.
30 degree. How you got the 30? Total 360
So
degree
12
divided
hours,
30 by 12.
360 degrees.
12 equal parts. Okay. And every minute division makes an angle of
6.
Sir, 5.
5 or 6?
Sir,
Oh, yes, 6, sir. Yes, sir.
6 degree at the center. 5 parts. 30 degree into 5 parts means 6 degree. Okay. Next, what is the speed of our hand? Speed of our hand.
Degree per minute.
Yes, half degree per minute. Speed of minute hand is
6 degree per minute.
6 degree per minute. So we don't need to consider these two speeds while solving questions, but we'll consider another speed. What is that speed?
The relative speed.
What is meant by relative speed?
So like the difference between those two.
No. General question, that is. What is meant by relative speed?
So like by taking some other object as reference.
with reference.
Yeah, other object is stationary, then that is also relative speed only.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Object
No.
with reference to another moving object.
So the like moving object reference meaning.
Sir, with respect to this at object at rest, its original speed only.
Yes. If with respect to a stationary object, it will be original speed. With respect to a moving object, if you consider, then we will get relative speed. Okay. What is the relative speed in a clock?
Sir, 11 by 2 degree per
Yes,
minute.
5.5 or 11 by 2. How you got that 5.5? So 5.5 or 11 by 2?
Sir, 6 degree per minute by half degree per minute.
Why we have subtracted here?
Sir, because they're moving in the same direction.
Yeah, both the hands are moving in the same direction. That's why we need to subtract. Okay. Then, Toshnika,
Sir?
remote control is there with you.
I don't know, sir. I have no idea.
Somebody are controlling.
Sir, but the remote control is not in my hands, sir. I think you should give me the permission to control your screen. I cannot do anything from here. I'm
It
just a
came to you
participant.
by default. It came to you and you have
Oh.
something. Yeah. Okay.
Can you recap, sir? I did not understand this. Sir, please recap, sir.
Why recap?
Did not
Already I'm
understand
doing
this
recap.
topic.
Again, you are
What
asking for
topic?
recap.
Sir, did not understand this topic, sir.
Control this. Okay. 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 See how you got the relative speed by subtracting the two speeds of minute hand and hour hand. Why to subtract is because both are moving in the same direction. Next, tell me angle between 0 degree nothing but. All these words are having same meaning with that phrase, right? Meeting, coincide, overlap, overtake, same direction, same pacing, same point,
Yes.
same line. All these represent the same. Tell me, in one day, how many times they will meet each other?
Sir,
How many
22
times the two hands meet each other in one day?
Sir, 22 times.
22 times. In 12 hours?
Sir, 11 times.
11 times.
11 and 12.
How many
Yes.
times they're in opposite direction in one day?
Sir, 22 times.
22 times. Okay. In 12 hours?
11 times.
Sir, how you got that time, sir? 11 times, sir.
You can go through the video. Okay. That is already uploaded in our YouTube, Google Class.
YouTube, how we get this?
Okay.
So many videos are there.
You can watch those videos. Only previous video. Only one video. Okay. Then why we are getting that one less?
Sir,
In 12 hours, we are getting 11 times only. Why we are getting one time less? Because
sir,
of?
only in the 12 times between 3
You can
hours.
say simple reason. Because of relative speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because of relative speed, we are getting one time less. Okay. And 30 degree, how many times we can get in one day? 30 degree.
Sir, 44 times.
44 times. 90 degree.
44 times.
100 degree.
Sir, 44 times.
359 degrees.
Sir, 44 times.
1 degree.
44 times.
360 degree.
11 times. No, 22 times, sir.
In one day, 22 times. Because 360 degree, nothing but
One whole angle.
yeah, 0 degree only. 360 degree, nothing but 0 degree only. Both are equivalent, both are same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And we have done some examples based on first model. See. Okay, this is already asked now only. We'll move on to the next type. Okay. Second type. Second model, mirror time. Mirror time. Yeah, read the question and answer it. A boy observes the reflection of a clock in a mirror. Time observed by the boy is 4:30. What is the actual time shown by the clock?
Sir,
My answer.
7:30?
No, I think it's 4:30, sir, because I also experienced this phenomenon.
No, in that clock, no digits are mentioned. Only points, divisions are mentioned. No numbers are mentioned in that clock.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
8:30.
Yeah, here the options are 4:30, 8:30, 7:30, and 3:30, and none of this. These are the
So
options.
then it's 8:30, sir.
8:30, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 8:30.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. It's 8:30. If it would be 5, it will be 7:30.
Okay.
5:30 will be 7:30.
Yeah. Let me draw the timing. So the given time 4:30 is in the mirror or in the original?
Sir, in the mirror.
In the mirror it is 4:30. So in original we need.
So it's 8:30.
Yeah. At 4:30, our hand is on number 4 and minute hand is on number 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So then
Yes,
here
sir.
the number is on 4 means it will be number 8. And it is
Yeah.
on number 6 only. Vertical line will not change in the mirror, right? So here the answer is 8:30, which is a wrong answer. 8:30 is a wrong answer. There is a mistake in this solution. What is that mistake? We have already discussed about that mistake, that position. Sorry, that point. What is it?
The
It's
minute hand
4:30,
also.
sir.
No issue with the minute hand. There is an issue with
Sir,
our
so-
hand. See, our hand is stuck on number 4 only.
It should be somewhere in between. Right?
Yeah, somewhere between what and what?
So 4 and 5. So it'll be
Between 4
somewhere.
and 5.
Between 4 and 5 means it should be between. In the original, it should be between.
So
7 and
this,
8, right?
yes, sir, 7.
So
7
7 and 8, the time will be then 7:30 or 8:30.
So
7:30.
7:30.
So answer is 7:30, not 8:30. Okay. So that is a major mistake many students will do. This is a regular question.
told you
right?
afterwards, sir. It's
Sorry?
7:30.
Somebody
told you
told.
afterwards, sir.
Sorry, tell again.
Sir,
Sir, I told you
I
after
thought.
everyone.
Yes. Somebody told 7:30 also. Yes, correct.
Yes, I told it before, sir. Like, I first thought 7:30.
Sir,
Okay.
could you explain me why it's 7:30? I don't understand.
Yes, I'll explain. See, the hour hand will be on number 4. The hour hand will be on number 4 only at 4 o'clock. Yes or no? At 4
Yes,
o'clock,
sir.
it's on number 4. But here the time given is
4:30.
4:30 means by the time minute hand comes to 6, our hand moves some distance. It will be somewhere between 4 and 5. Yes or no?
Yes, okay. Also, it has to be between 4 and 5 exactly because it's
It
4:30.
should
Okay,
be
sir,
between 4 and
understood.
5 means in the mirror it will be between 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
So
Okay,
our
sir,
hand is
understood.
between 7 and 8 means 8:30 is not possible. 7:30 is okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. So this is the procedure, and we don't prefer this method, and we have another method. See, we have a shortcut. What is the shortcut is? What is the total time in a clock? Total number of hours in a clock are?
Sir, are you asking about the IST or the normal clocks?
Normal clock only.
Normal clock,
Yes.
it's 12 hours is going to, I mean, there are 12 numbers.
We are discussing about clock only. We are not discussing about time. Okay.
Yeah, so there are 24 hours clocks also. So I'm just thinking that
24-hour clock will not be there. Only 12 hours clock will be there, and we have to use it twice. Simple.
but okay, fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay. 24 hours will be there. As a timing, it is 24 hours, but clock will be for 12 hours. Okay, see, total number of hours in a clock are 12 hours. Simply subtract given time from 12 hours. So 4:30 subtract from 12 hours. You will get mirror time. Okay. Sir, how to subtract 0 minutes minus 40 minutes? Sorry, 30 minutes. We will make it simple, more simpler. See, can I write 12 hours as 11 hours and 60 minutes? Yes or no?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I write 12 hours as 11 hours and 60 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Then subtract 4:30 from 11 hours and 60 minutes.
So
Tell
what
me.
was it?
60 minus 30?
Sir,
Oh, okay.
30. 11 minus 4 is
7.
7. Answer is 7:30. Easy or not?
Sir, I have
Yes,
a
sir.
doubt.
Tell.
Sir, in a realistic situation, like when someone asks you this, it's easy. It's more easier, right?
Which one? Diagrammatic
I'm
or
telling-
without diagram?
No, sir. For example, they ask you what's it's 12 o'clock right now. What will it be 4 hours and 30 minutes ago? Wouldn't it be easier to just calculate it in our mind and all that?
I didn't get your point actually.
It's fine, sir.
Here we are discussing about mirror time, okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Your doubt is related to that one?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any time is given. Suppose here 4:30, we can draw the diagram, that is okay. But if the time is given like 4:22, 4:23 or 4:29, likewise 4:32, then we cannot draw the diagram accurately. Yes or no? All of you, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only one or two are responding. Why? So for any time we can use the shortcut. Okay, see the next question. Time in a clock is, and one more thing here is, original time is given and asking for mirror time, or mirror time is given and asking for original time. In both these situations, we can use the shortcut. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. See the next question. Time in a clock is 9:45. Then what is the mirror image? Sorry, what is its mirror time? So simple, subtract from 11:30.
11:60.
11:30 minus, sorry, 11:60 minus
9:45.
9:45.
Sir, I
So
have a
it'll
doubt.
be 2:15. 2:15.
Tell him.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, you said that it is only 12-hour clock, right? So
Yes,
then
there are
why it is said that 1 day is equals to 24 hours?
1 day equal to 24 hours. Correct.
Then if it is 12 hours, then how it is 1 day is equal to 24 hours?
We will use a 12-hour clock 2 times. 12 into 2 will be 24. If you observe, there will be a 6 o'clock in the morning and in the evening also in 1 day. Yes or no? 6 o'clock will be 2 times in 1 day, right?
Yes, sir. AM and PM.
AM and PM. Why you have the classified as AM and PM? Because 24 hours we cannot say. Actually, we should say 6 o'clock and then we have to say 18 o'clock.
Yeah, sir.
But instead of saying 18 o'clock, we are saying simply 6 o'clock, 6 p.m.
So why?
Why means we don't have 24-hour clocks. We have only 12-hour clocks.
So we do have 24-hour clocks, sir. They do exist. But the only thing is people don't use it commonly.
Okay. If you use a 24-hour clock, it will be, and divisions will be more and calculations will be more. If you use 12-hour
They'll
clock,
be more messy, I guess.
Yeah.
It'll be more congested.
Yes.
So it's easier to use a 12-hour clock.
Okay. In our competitive exams, 24-hour clock will not be there. In our competitive exams, I'm saying, okay, 12-hour clocks only. Then one more question from mirror time. See, time in a clock is 12:29. Then what is its mirror time? Tell me.
So what do you mean by mirror time?
So 11.
What is mean by mirror time?
Sir, can we just take this as a rounding off to 12:30?
Completing questions, after completing concepts and after doing 2 questions, now you are asking what is mean by mirror time. Time seen in the mirror is called mirror time. Okay. Time seen from the mirror is mirror time.
Okay, Sander.
Okay,
So can we take this rough figure as 12:30? So instead of taking this,
no need of rough figures. If you use rough figures, how can you represent this one in the rough?
12:31.
Will it be 11:31?
Yes, very good. 11:31 is correct. But see, the shortcut here is 11:60 minus given time. 11:60 minus given time, 12:29. But how can we subtract 12 from 11? Yes, see. Sir, actually there are how many hours in a clock? How many hours are there in a clock?
Sir, 12.
12 hours. But the given time is 12:29. So in a 12 hours clock, how can we represent 12:29? Actually, it is not possible. Yes or no? Because there are maximum of 12 hours only. So here the intention is 12 hours are completed and 29 minutes. In the next cycle, it is 29 minutes. Okay. In the next cycle, it
Yes,
is
sir,
29
we should-
minutes means hours are not started yet. After 12 hours, our hours are not started yet. So remember this point.
consider
If
0,
any time
sir.
is given between, if any time is given between 12 and 1, in that case, consider hours as 0.
58%.
Okay. If any time is given between 12 and 1, consider hours as 0. So actually the given time is 12:29, but we'll consider it as 0:29. Okay. So 11:16 minus 0:29. Subtract. Tell me 11 minus 0 is
11,
So 11 only.
11
60
only.
minus 29, 30.
31. So answer is
11:31.
11:30. Okay. So the for shortcut, this is a extension or exemption, we can say. Subtract given time from 11 hours and 60 minutes. Subtract given time from 11 hours and 60 minutes. If the time is given between 12 and 1, simply consider hours as 0. Consider hours as 0. Okay. So 11:31 is the correct answer. Right. So this is all about mirror times. So till now we have completed 2 models. We are entering into third model now. The third model is. So first we'll see using formula and later we'll see without using formula. Okay. So here there is a formula for this. Let me write the formula. Angle between the two hands theta equal to modulus of 30h minus 11/2 m. Angle between the two hands is 30h minus 11/2 m, where theta is the angle, h is number of hours, and m is number of minutes. M is number of minutes. All of you, read it once. Angle between the two hands, theta equal to how much?
30h minus 11/2 m.
Shreyan is okay. Piyush, read it.
Yes, sir. So modulus 30h minus 11/2 minutes. M is equal to minutes and h is equal to hours.
Ananya, read it.
Yes, sir. Angle theta is equal to modulus of 30h minus 11/2 m.
Aditya, read it.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Hello.
Read it. Angle between the two hands is theta equal to.
Sir, angle between the theta is 30 hours minus 11/2 minutes.
Yes, correct. Then Shreyan, read it. Shreyan, okay, already done. Then Nitya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Read it once.
Angle theta is equal to 30 hours minus 11/2 minutes.
Yes, yes. So here h represent number of hours and m represent number of minutes. So simply subtract. Simply substitute the values. Simply substitute the values. See, now I'm substituting the values. Tell me. Theta we need to find. Here the question is, what is the angle between the two hands? Tell me number of hours. 30 into h is number of hours. How many hours?
4.
4 minus 11/2 into m
30.
is 30. Simplify. Anyone simplify?
So 120 minus
20 into
120 minus
165.
120 minus 165. Actually, this is minus 45 because it is in modulus. When it comes out, it will be positive.
Only 45.
Yeah, inside of modulus, it may be positive or negative. When it comes out, it will be positive, right?
Yes, sir.
So answer is 45 degrees.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So actually, if we have time, I can explain concept behind this formula also. But
Yes, so
now
we
it is
have
not
4
required
minutes
for you.
more, sir.
Sorry.
We have 4 minutes more, sir. So I think you can do it, sir.
No, 4 minutes is not sufficient to explain the concept behind this formula. I think you can memorize this formula or you can remember this formula. And I'll explain without this formula also how can we do this question. The same question. See, time to angle conversion. The same example. I'm using shortcut. Shortcut means without using formula. Can I explain the shortcut method? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 4:30 is the given time. See, all of you. 4:30 is the given time. Here 4 represent hours and 30 represents minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. At 4:30, our hand is on which number? Let us consider 4 only. Okay, it will be between 4 and 5. We'll consider 4 only. Minute hand is on which number?
Sir, 6.
Minute hand is on which number?
So I'll be on the number 6.
Number
5:30.
6. 4 minus 6 is how much?
Say 2.
2, sir.
Minus 2.
2. Yes, yes. Exactly. It is minus 2. 1 second. I'm erasing the things.
Modulus, sir.
No need to take modulus. See here, minus 2 it is. What are these 2? Hours or minutes, sir?
So the difference between the two?
2 hours, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 4 hours minus 2 hours is 2 hours. Sorry. So 4 hours minus 6 hours is minus 2 hours. So 2 hours, each hour angle is 30 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Use 2 here only,
Yes, sir.
but use this minus later. Okay, we have to do minus. How much we have to do minus is minutes by 2. How many minutes are there? 30 by 2.
30.
So simple subtraction. What is this value? 2 into 30 is 60. Minus 30 by 2 is 15. Answer is 45 degrees. Anybody got it?
If minus is not there, then we should use plus.
Understood or not understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir, not understood.
Yes, sir.
I think it is not understood. Many people.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if the minus is not there, then should we put a plus?
Yeah, here we have to do plus only. If minus is not
Okay,
there,
sir.
here we have to do plus.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll see that type of questions also.
And so why did
Sir,
we take 6 only?
why we did 4 minus 6, sir?
Like, why can't we take some other number?
Method. This is a shortcut method. Okay. Why we do 4 minus 6 means our hand is on number 4 and a minute hand is on number 6.
Number 6, sir. Where, sir? Okay, okay.
30 minutes means minute hand is on number 6 only.
Yes, sir. The clock here comes.
Suppose one more question is will be there here. We'll see that. Okay. I will give separate questions. Tell me 5:45. Suppose if the question is 5:45. Tell me, our hand is on number.
So 5.
Minute hand is on number
So 9.
9. 5 minus 9 is
Minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus
Use
4.
4 here, 4 into 30. But use minus later. This minus I'm using here. And how much we have to do minus? This minutes by 2. Okay, 45 by 2. 4 into 30 is how much?
120.
120 minus how much? 45 by 2 is 22.5.
22.5.
So then answer is 97.5 degrees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If you want, let us take one more question. Like,
So I just have a doubt, sir. So why
Which-
can't you just, sir?
we'll take one more question and later we'll see. Just
Okay,
wait. 8. Suppose if it is 8:35. Okay, or 8:30, 8:25. Suppose if it is 8:25. Now tell me, our hand is
Sir,
on which
we have
number?
another class at 5:30.
Sir,
It's
8.
5:31.
So 8.
We'll wind up the session by this question. With this question, we'll wind up.
Yes, sir.
Our hand is on which number?
8.
8.
8. Minute hand is on which number?
5.
5.
5. 8 minus 5 is
3.
positive 5 or negative? Sorry, positive 3 or negative 3?
Positive, sir.
Positive 3.
Positive.
Use 3 here, 3 into 30, and use this positive here. Use this plus here. Plus, how much we have to do plus? Minutes
5
by
by
2.
2.
25 by 2. Do the calculation. 3 into 30 is 90. Plus 25 by 2 is 22.5. Okay,
Sir,
90 plus
12.5,
22.5
right?
is
It is 12.5, right?
25 by 2
Sir,
is
it's
12.5,
12.5.
right?
okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
like 25 by 2 is 12.5, right?
Sorry.
So 25 by 2 is
22 by
12.5.
25 by 2 is 12.5, right?
Sorry. Okay. Yes. 12.5 only. 12.5 only, and it will be 1 or 2.5. Okay. Is this method easy or not?
Yes, sir.
But here we
Yes,
have
sir.
some exemption for this method, and we'll see all those things in the next class, right? Meanwhile, practice, okay? Meanwhile, practice these methods. Okay, bye.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.